Hello. How are you, friends? It's a nice day outside. It's just cold. Anyway, my name is Nash, Kassim, and today I'm going to do this tutorial on Calculus 1 under subject chain rule. Okay, the derivative of the outside time the inside function, and the inside function time the derivative of the inside function also. So another way, we're going to break this problem into two functions. Function 1 is going to be, let's call it, you can call it as any name you want, so I'm gonna call it f of x. Second function, I'm gonna call it y of x. That's going to be the outside. Sorry about that. Okay, the f of x function is a cosine, right? This one is better, right? The y of x, we're gonna call it the x cube. This is the outside function, this is the inside function. The reason I break it down to two functions, that's because this x right here, if we replace it by this x, it's going to be cosine x to the third power, or cube. It's going to give us the same thing as the equation is, cosine times x to the third power. So we call this the out function, we call this the in function. Now we took the derivative of each equation, so let's say prime of x equal, so look ugly, okay, equal the derivative of the cosine. So what's the derivative of the cosine? Is negative sine, right? Negative sine of x. Okay, what's the derivative of the y function? So I'm gonna say y prime of x equal 3 times x. We bring down the 3 to the front, and we subtract 3. We took 1 from 3, we subtract 1 from the 3, so it's going to be 3x to the second power. Now we are at the end, so it's going to be the same function over here. It's going to be negative sine of x. We replace the x, this x right here, right? We replace it with this number right, 3 cubed, the y, and we're going to multiply the y, this, by the derivative of that. Okay? Already. And now we put the problem together. Y, ugly. Sorry, I'm not good on using the mouse as a draw number, but I'm doing my best in here. Cosine x cube equal negative sine times the inside function x3, which is this one right here, to the third, and the inside times the function time, right, this multiplication time the derivative of the inside, which is 3x to the second power, and we make sure to keep this one in parentheses, to keep it in parentheses like that, so we cannot get confused later on. So I think this is it, and I hope I make it easy. If anyone got confused in this part or anywhere in the function in this problem, please write a comment down below, or you can send me an email to nkassim@gmail. I'm gonna write down my email right here, nkassim2@gmail.com. Feel free to write me anything, and I will do my best to answer you as soon I can. And thank you guys, and good luck. We'll see you next time. Thank you.